Hello, my YouTube family. It's been a while, guys. It's been months. Yeah, I've been here. You know. Guys, this new video on NZDUSD. This is a key setup that we should be looking at for next week. This coming up week in the market. I see potential in the market. Guys, you can hit me up on or follow me on Instagram. Only one naked voice 20 on Twitter. And so let's do a top-down analysis. Short and quick one. Lovely strong weekly candle closure, as you can see. This might be the beginning of the takeoff, Daily time frame. What can you see? What did you notice? You see how price came all the way up. Mad as impulsement. If this is an impulsive movement, because you can see we broke out of this high. If this is an impulsive movement, that means we need an impulsive a low of the impulsive movement, for a continuation to the upside, if that is what it is, or if this is a fake out of all of these highs, taking out all those highs and we want to start crashing. Regardless, we already seen the price action. We know what we are looking for, which is obviously we are looking to sell. Notice all of these weeks, signs of rejections, showing that, price wants to drop there. This shows the direction, weeks. When you see weeks in the market, you know that weeks leaves clue. When you see a lot of weeks, you know what it means. When you see weeks, candles leaving weeks, obviously it's telling you that, price wants to continue to the upside or to that particular direction. So you can see weeks, it shows this is where the market wants to go, especially when you see them on higher time frame, daily candles and all of that. So coming down to this place right here, we have lovely weeks right there. This on Thursday candle was so clear. We broke out of a particular low, which you can see obviously on the 4-hour time frame. You can see how we've been in this phase. Notice how when price is moving, we have this accumulation phase where we see price doing some ups and up down. Then we have this phase breakout, it's called the advancing, and then we have this phase again, which we call the distribution phase, and then we have this phase where we call the declining, where we break out of that. So obviously on NZDUSD, that's what I see happening. We breaking out of this phase right now, and we want to start to decline. As you can see, this is more like a no man's land where you can see all of this candle. Bro, there's nothing stopping us for yet right now yet. Nothing. So I see this particular trade setup going far because there's nothing stopping us. Obviously, you can see how we broke out of that phase. We corrected. The first flag, which I always say is the best flag. Impulse, breakout, lovely flag, which is also the best flag. As you can see, we retested that structure, mad as impulse. So what do you expect? A reversal for what? No. We can't reverse. The only time we can reverse when we have a strong impulse up and then we see another correction. That's what we're looking for, a reversal. But right now, obviously, these candles leave clue. And as you can see, we are already creating series of lower lows, lower highs right here. And as you can see, we are already on a downtrend, obviously. We are trending already. So guys, what are we anticipating next week for that push to the downside? Obviously, what we just have to be praying for is some correction. We need some corrective movement to this zone, more like a retest. Or we don't even have to retest. We just have to notice some correction. Our EMA that we use in NF9, you guys know already. We retested lovely here. And most of my students took advantage of the trade I posted on EuroJPY and also GBP/USD precisely. And you all know the DXY broke highs and lovely structure where we've seen the dollar index broke and we are anticipating a retest. So we need to see some corrective move, at least Monday, Tuesday ahead of FOMC. Then we'll see some mad-ass move. So if we can get that correction, guys, trust me, big move coming soon that you really want to take advantage of. Because I see nothing, no structure, guys, obviously. No structure to stop this guy from going down. So SDUSD, we're looking to say, guys, make sure you wait for a correction to execute this trade. It's going to be a long way trade, long way to the downside, and it's going to be a mad as profitable trade that you want to take advantage of. at least, I see price going further than that, but at least we're looking to come to that particular low right here for now. And then we'll see if we can get to that particular zone right there. Okay, so keep your eyes open, get ready to shoot your shot on this pair. I have other pairs on my watch list, but I just want to share this with you guys on my YouTube. So guys, if you have any question, you have my handle, hit me up and ask me question. Feel free to chat me up. I'm always available to help you guys with any problem you are having with Forex for free. Okay? Bye guys, take care. Have a great weekend.